Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive preparedness with the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 car battery jump starter. If you're looking for the best car jump starter on the market, look no further. You're stranded in the middle of nowhere with a dead car battery. What do? That's where the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 comes in. This compact yet powerful device is a lifesaver in automotive emergencies. With its 1000 amps of power, the GB40 can jumpstart gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters in seconds. That's right, no more waiting around for roadside assistance or relying on the kindness of strangers. But wait, there's more. The GB40 isn't just a jump starter. It's also a portable power bank, capable of charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. Plus, it features a built-in LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. Safety is paramount when it comes to jump-starting a car, and the GB40 has you covered. Its UltraSafe technology ensures foolproof connections and protects against sparks and reverse polarity. And with its rugged and water-resistant design, it's built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws your way. So there you have it, folks. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 car battery jump starter is the ultimate companion for any road trip or daily commute. With its powerful performance, versatility, and safety features, it's a must-have for every car owner. Don't leave home without it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Until next time, drive safe and stay prepared.